Did you know your skin is your largest organ? It protects you from harmful elements, regulates your body temperature, and even helps you feel the world around you by sensing touch, pressure, and temperature changes. Taking care of your skin is essential for your overall health and well-being. A good skincare routine can prevent issues like dryness, acne, and premature aging. By the end of this essay, you'll have valuable tips to achieve healthier, more radiant skin. We'll cover everything from daily habits to the best products for your skin type. I'm excited to share a special bonus tip at the end, so keep reading. This tip could be the game changer you've been looking for in your skincare journey. A consistent skincare routine is key to healthy skin. Just like you brush your teeth daily, your skin needs regular attention too. A good routine helps prevent premature aging, manages breakouts, and maintains your skin's natural balance. It doesn't have to be complicated. Even a few essential steps can make a big difference. Start with cleansing. Use a gentle cleanser morning and night to remove dirt and impurities. Next, apply a toner to balance your skin's pH levels. Follow with a serum targeted to your specific concerns like hydration or brightening. Always moisturize to keep your skin hydrated and supple. Lastly, never forget sunscreen during the day to protect from harmful UV rays. Section 4. Skincare Slip-Ups. In this section, we'll explore some common mistakes people make in their skincare routines and how to avoid them. One common mistake is using harsh products that strip your skin's natural oils. These products might promise quick results, but they can do more harm than good. This can lead to dryness, irritation, and even more breakouts. Your skin needs its natural oils to stay balanced and healthy. Another mistake is not exfoliating regularly. Exfoliation is crucial for removing dead skin cells that can clog pores and dull your complexion. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, revealing brighter skin underneath. It also helps your other skincare products penetrate more effectively. Finally, remember that consistency is key. A good skincare routine requires patience and dedication. Don't expect overnight miracles. Give your skin time to adjust and reap the benefits of a consistent routine. Stick with it, and you'll see gradual improvements over time. Section 5. Your best skin yet. In this section, we will dive deep into the secrets of achieving radiant, healthy skin that glows from within. My bonus tip for you? Listen to your skin. It's constantly communicating with you, telling you what it needs and what it doesn't. Pay attention to how it reacts to different products and adjust your routine accordingly. If a product causes irritation or breakouts, it might not be the right fit for you. Everyone's skin is unique, so what works for one person might not work for another. It's important to find what suits your skin type and concerns best. Remember, skincare is a journey, not a destination. It's about consistent care and making adjustments as needed. Enjoy the process and embrace the skin you're in. Celebrate the small victories and improvements along the way. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Your experiences and insights can be incredibly valuable to others. Share your biggest skincare concerns or any tips that have worked wonders for you in the comments below. Whether it's a product recommendation or a routine that transformed your skin, we want to know. Let's learn from each other and build a supportive community for healthy, happy skin. Together, we can achieve our best skin yet and inspire others to do the same.